Question number 6. This question is about free fall from west. So we have a body here, free fall under gravity. So we have the equation V equals U plus AT. Because it is from west, so its velocity equals GT. And remember, this velocity is the drop of height. It is negative delta H over delta T. It's the rate of drop of height, okay? So if multiply, but the question is about kinetic energy. Rate of change of kinetic energy. So if multiply this side by mg, it becomes rate of drop of potential energy. Because there is no air resistance, vacuum, so by the conservation of energy, rate of increase of kinetic energy equals the rate of drop equals negative the rate of drop potential energy. So this equals mg squared t. And this whole thing in the question you talk about is the rate of change of kinetic energy. So it is the rate already. So the rate increases linearly with time. And we have a straight line graph starting from the origin with gradient mg squared. So the answer is A. Thank you.